This deliciousness here is not your regular drink or juice, but you will love it. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this yummy drink with some mangoes. Here I have my mangoes and the tiger nut. So we'll be making mango and the tiger nut drink or juice. And I'm going to sweeten this deliciousness with some dates. Just very simple drink. Very simple but very demure, very delicious. So I started by washing and cutting or slicing my mangoes.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace.
After cutting the mango, I'll then transfer everything into the blender and blend. Note that I've already soaked this tiger nut. I soaked it yesterday. I soaked it for 2 days because it's dry one. I now soaked it for 2 days. I also soaked the date for some hours for it to soften. I deseeded it. So I'll add everything into the blender and add enough water and blend it. I'm also doing this in batches because I cannot blend all at once.
Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes.
After blending it smoothly, I'll then transfer it into my sieve and sieve this to separate the chaff from the juice and the milk. Yep.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. Golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound. Where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.
And here we have our mango tiger nut drink, or should we call it milky mango? Yeah, or milk mango. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bottle the drink.
Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound. Where love for food is truly profound.
You can store this in the fridge for about 3 days or freezer for up to a month. That is, if this can last up to that. You can also enjoy this right away with some ice cubes. It's more yummy when it is chilled. I have different tiger nuts recipes, tiger nut milk recipes in my channel. Do well to check them out. And thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.